Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use the multi-sections solid command in the part design workbench of CATIA. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, mechanical design, then part design, then you click on OK. Next you click on the YZ plan, then you click on sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 50 millimeter, the first circle. I'm gonna exit the workbench. Now you click on the plan command, you choose the YZ plan as a reference, then for the offset we're gonna add 100 millimeter, then you click on OK. You select the plan just created, then you click on sketch, fits all in, then I'm gonna add a new circle, and the diameter of this new circle is 100 millimeter. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Okay, next you click on the plan again, you click on this plan, then you add 100 millimeter also for the new plan. Next you click on this plan, sketch, fit all in, then add a third circle, and this time will be 75 millimeter as a diameter. Okay, so now we're gonna go and click on the multi-sections solid command. You're gonna choose the first circle, then the second circle, then the third circle. You click on preview, then OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can use the multi-sections solid in the part design workbench of CATIA. Thanks for watching.